Welcome to Lesson 4, Rice Rolls. Today we're going to help children get more whole grains into their diets by teaching them how to make rice rolls using brown rice, veggies, shredded cheddar cheese, Italian salad dressing, and salt and pepper. Our education piece centers around brown rice and the nutrients it provides. Let's get started. I've already washed my hands and put on food service gloves. In addition to gloves, make sure that you have a bucket of clean sanitizer water with a clean wiping cloth. You'll also need a cutting board and a chef knife, a 1/4 cup portion scoop, a tablespoon measure, prep bowls with lids, and a marker for labeling them. I've already prepped this lesson for 20 students plus 1 demo. This includes cooking the brown rice according to the package directions. I've finely chopped an assortment of vegetables. Today I'm using cucumbers, bell pepper, and carrots. And I have shredded cheese and Italian salad dressing. I'm going to season the brown rice with salt and pepper. Now let's fill our prep bowls. You'll need 1 container of each of the rice roll ingredients per group plus 1 for the demo. Using a 1/4 cup portion scoop, we'll scoop 5 scoops of rice into each container. Be sure to use a clean portion scoop in between each ingredient or wash and sanitize in between. Now the vegetables, 3 scoops per container. Now the cheese, 2 scoops per container. And last, the Italian salad dressing, 2 tablespoons per container. Now let's get everything covered, labeled, and dated. Be sure to keep everything refrigerated until it's time for your demo. If you're going off-site, pack everything in a cooler with ice. Now let's check to make sure we have all of the equipment we'll need. You'll need a cutting board and chef knife, plastic spatulas, mixing bowls, sandwich bags, plastic spoons, napkins, sanitary wipes, food service gloves, the lesson plan, handouts for the students, and crayons. Okay, now let's head to our demo.
Okay, we're here on site. I have Jen and Liz with me, ready to set up for our demo. We're gonna wash our hands, wipe down the tables, and set up, and we'll be ready to go. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
My name is Dawn, and today we're going to do some nutrition education. Are you guys ready? Yeah! So today we're going to do some rice rolls. Who here has had rice before? Awesome. All right, so there are 3 rules that we need to remember, okay? So the first rule is everyone stay in your seat before we start doing everything. The next one is no talking while I'm talking. If you need to say something, just raise your hand. And then the third rule is have fun. Awesome. All right, today we're going to be talking about rice. Most of you have had whole grain rice before. Let's take a look at it. Is that what it looks like? Yeah. So why do we eat brown rice? To be healthy? That's right. It helps our bones stay strong because it has magnesium. So it makes our bones really big and strong. We talk about vitamins and minerals. Magnesium is a mineral that's in our body. So our catchphrase today is brown rice has magnesium, which magnifies our bone strength. Can you guys say that with me? Brown rice has magnesium, which magnifies our bone strength. Awesome. All right, so today we're going to have Maddie come help us. Come on up. Hi, Maddie. How are you today? Awesome. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is put our brown rice into the bag. Are you ready? All right, go ahead. Just put a little bit into the bag. Perfect. All right, and then we're going to mix our dressing, veggies. Go ahead and put your dressing in there, in the bowl. And then the veggies. And then you're going to mix it all together. Mix in, mix in, mix in. Who's here had green peppers before? Are those spicy? No. No, those are sweet and crunchy, just like those red peppers we had. Awesome. All right, let's show the class what it looks like when we mix it all together. Awesome. We mix the veggies and the dressing, and then we take our spoon, and we can spoon in a little bit of our veggies into our rice bag. Awesome. And can you spoon in a little bit of cheese? Awesome. And then we're going to squish it and roll it into the middle or into the corner of the bag, into a rice roll. Want to go ahead and try that? Squish, squish, squish. And then once it's in a roll, then we can roll back our paper just like this and eat it right out of the bag. All right? Before we get started, remember we have our coloring pages. And on the coloring page, it says brown rice has magnesium, which magnifies our bone strength. Awesome. So you guys can write bone in there, and then you can color your magnifying glass. And on the other side, there's your recipe that you can follow. Okay? Is everybody ready? Go ahead.
Okay, so then remember what we did? Use your spoons, and you're gonna spoon some of the veggies in, and then some of the cheese, and then we're gonna mush it into the corner.
It's enough veggies.
Yep, or you can do a little more if you want. Or you can make two. You can make 2 rice rolls too. You can do one, eat one, and then make another one.
Okay.
Okay. The whole point of these lessons is to get kids to try a new food. It's not as important that they like it. You know, research shows that eventually, the more they try something new, they will end up incorporating it into their daily diets, or that they'll end up liking it.
How are your rice rolls today? Awesome. Okay, so we just have a couple of reminders. Are you ready? Do you remember what our catchphrase was? Brown rice has magnesium, which magnifies our bone strength. Awesome. And so we eat brown rice because it helps us stay strong and because it has magnesium. Okay, and then when you guys are ready and all done eating your lovely rice rolls, make sure that you put your garbage into the garbage can and then your recycling into the recycling bin. All right? All right, enjoy. Thank you.
We really are just so focused on getting kids to get exposed to different and new foods and try new foods because some of them eat kind of the same thing every day. And so again, the more we can get vegetables into them and low-fat dairy and low-fat proteins, that's what really these lessons are all about.